we're going to be using the general formula to solve a question on quadratic equation today. Now don't forget, the general formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now there are some quadratic equations that are not factorizable, so you have to go ahead and use the completing the square method or the general formula. So in this case now, we want to use the general formula to solve a quadratic equation that is not factorizable. All right, okay, so let's go ahead now and try this beautiful question. Okay, so let's solve this quadratic equation. 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation can actually be solved with the general formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, okay, so it's quite possible to solve this with that equation, minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. 5 is a, and then plus 9 is b, and then the c is minus 2. So we'll just use the equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now let's just plot all our numbers. Let's substitute our numbers into this equation. So our 9 will now take the place of b, and our a will now be minus 2, and then our c is going to be minus 2, and then our a is going to be 5. Now if we slot all those numbers down in our equation, we're now going to be having something that looks like this. So you have your minus open bracket, you have your 9 close bracket. All right, so it means you're going to be having minus 9, replacing that minus b, because our 9 is positive 9. So you have plus or minus the root of b squared. Now b squared is 9 squared, so that's going to give you 81. Then you have minus b squared minus 4ac. Remember, don't forget the formula, b squared minus 4ac. So you have your 81 minus, now in bracket you have 4 times 5, because 5 is a, then times minus 2 is c. So you have 4 times 5, which is 20. 20 times minus 2 will give you minus 40. Now remember, you have minus outside, so that minus will affect this minus, it's not going to be plus. So we have 81 plus 40. 81 plus 40. So we have the root of 81 plus 40 there. So you have minus 9 outside and plus or minus the root of 121 over, now you have 2 there, and then you have a. Now a is 5, so you multiply 5 by 2, you have 10. So it means you have 10 as the denominator. So right now we're going to be having something that looks like this, minus 9 plus or minus the root of 121 all over 10. Simple! So you have minus 9 plus or minus the root of 129, 1 over 10. So what is the root of 121? It's 11. So you have minus 9 plus or minus 11 all over 10. So it's either you're having minus 9 plus 11 over 10, or you're having minus 9 minus 11 over 10. It is that simple. So minus 9 minus 11 over 10 is going to give you minus 20 over 10, which is minus 2. So x is minus 2 in 1. And then the other one, you have minus 9 plus 11 over 10. Now minus 9 plus 11 is going to give you plus 2. So you have 2 over 10. 2 over 10 is going to give you 1 over 5. So your x is either 1 over 5 or your x is minus 2. It's that simple. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this class and you understand this multiply example. Have a lovely day ahead.